Hi, L.
What can I do for you?
Move forward.
Okay.
The flame sensor scans back and forth, following the servo motor. Simulated radar detection of fire sources. The sky is covered with dark clouds and it starts to rain. The sensor's receiving surface detects the rainwater. The clothesline is immediately retracted indoors. The temperature sensor collects humidity information. If the humidity is below a certain value, the atomizer will turn on. Turn on the switch. When soil dryness is detected, a water pump automatically starts pumping water to irrigate the soil. Click to switch recording port 3. Long press again to start recording your study. Record lowering the air conditioning temperature. Turn on the air conditioner.
Okay.
Rotate with gestures on the sensor. Colorful lights will appear. Swipe from left to right on the sensor. Switch the colored lights in sequence.